Next problem. A hexagonal prism of base side 30 mm and axis 65 mm stand on its end in the HP with a two of the rectangular plane perpendicular to the plane. Bisect the axis of the prism. Draw the development of lateral surface is prism showing that the shape of the section formed on it. To draw the development of surface, hexagonal prism, the given problem is a hexagonal prism and base side value is a 30 mm and axis 65 mm stand on the one end the HP to draw the rectangular base. Initially we draw the hexagonal prism, the side value is 30 mm. Initially draw the 30 mm circle and draw the straight line mark the point, again cut into arc, okay. Now connected all the lines, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is a hexagonal prism. XY line and draw the perpendicular line to connect with the XY axis. Draw the lines. Next, height of the hexagonal prism value is given the 65 mm. To mark the 65 mm point the A dash point. Similarly, E point is value is 65 mm. Connect A dash and D dash. Draw the all perpendicular lines to parallel with the hexagonal prism. Okay. Now mark the midpoint 65 mm and total height is 65 mm. Mark the midpoint and draw the inclined line. Okay. Next, draw the development surface. Next, draw the development surface. Prism side is 30 mm. Total 6 side, 6 into 30, 180 mm. Draw the one side 30 mm, 30 mm, 30 mm up to draw a line 18 mm. Up to line draw a 18 centimeter. Each side is a 30 centimeter. To mark the divide into each 30. Each 30. 30, 30, 30, 30, 30 and again 30. Now draw the perpendicular lines or line connects. Next, draw the another line, XY line, connect the all points. Small portion and bottom also cutting the plane, this point. Now mark the cutting points. Top portion first line, second portion second line and third, fourth and fifth. This one third, third, fourth and fifth. Again mark the points, all points, connect the all lines 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is a development of surface of hexagonal prism.